Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to have a look at the Timex Ironman Triathlon. This is going to be the reference number T5E901. You can also find it under TW2W94000. So it is going to come in this cardboard outer box, and then you can see that inside we have the watch here that is actually within another cardboard box. So this is going to be the main cardboard box of the watch. As you can see, Timex signs, I would say a decent packaging. You can use it for storage. And here we have the watch. I am in Europe, so that is why you will be able to see that the information right here is in French. So we have stopwatch with 30 lap memory. Then we have the chronograph function, the countdown timer and alarm. And also you have to know that this watch has 100 meters of water resistance. You can opt for different color variations and also a different strap in case you do not want the full resin strap. When it comes to the price, this is going to be priced under $50 if you live in the US and between 50 and 60 euros if you are from Europe. You can definitely find it cheaper or sometimes even more expensive in case you want a particular color or in case you can find the watch on sale. So this is going to be the watch, guys. As you can see, we have the tag right here with the reference number, and this is how the watch looks. As you can see, I went with the most classic variation. So we have the black strap, the black and silver tone maybe case right here. Everything is going to be resin, so both the case and the strap are going to be resin. When it comes to the dimensions, we have a case size of 38 millimeters, so the dimension right here, and then we have a case height, so a case thickness of 11 millimeters. When we turn the watch around, you can see that the lug width is going to be 22 millimeters, but if you want to go with these types of straps, you need to order the original ones, since as you can see they are very beautifully integrated, but this one is going to last you for a lot of time. Then when it comes to the wrist sizes that Timex suggests, they say that it will fit anything between 5.5 and 8 inches, and that is going to be 14 centimeters up to 20.5 centimeters. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. I have a medium wrist size of 6.5 inches or 16.5 centimeters, and I would say that this is a very decent, or let's say medium-sized watch for my wrist, so it isn't going to be too big or too small. One of the most important features when it comes to this particular model is going to be the 100 meters of water resistance, since this watch is made for triathlon athletes. So this is going to be something really cool. We have the stainless steel back, as you can see, and this time we have these very unusual triangle screws right here. I'm also going to make a full guide with how to replace the watch battery and also how to replace the strap and all the functions and features. In case you want to check them out, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. Then when it comes to the functions, we have the chronograph function up to 100 hours. As you can see, 99 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Then we have the time and date. So you can see that we can also set the day of the week and the day of the month. Then we have the timer. This is going to be really useful. And then we also have 3 alarms, as you can see right here. So that is going to be pretty cool. We also have the Timex Indiglow backlight function, as you can see right here. This is going to be very useful and it is going to light the entire display. This is something really popular when it comes to Timex watches. I would say that the overall construction is very, very good, and that is why they target the triathlon athletes. As you can see, a buckle that is going to be metal or maybe brass, and then it is silver plated. I am unsure of that. And then we have the resin case, resin strap, and the stainless steel back right here. This is going to ensure the 100 meters of water resistance. We have the start and split button right here in the middle, and the 4 buttons on the side, so 2 on the right and 2 on the left, so 5 buttons in total. So guys, that was the quick unboxing video. I'm going to follow up with the tutorials on how to use all the functions of the full guide and also how to replace the watch battery. Make sure to check the link in the description box below. Please let me know in the comment section below if you own this particular model. What are your thoughts when it comes to Timex Ironman Triathlon watches or Timex watches in general? I would really like to hear your thoughts out. If you want to buy this particular model, I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.